Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of our high performance 10-year warranty SBH02 shoebox. Today I'm doing the 150 watt. It's also available in a 100 watt and 300 watt that we stock. Standard voltage that we stock is 100/277 and it is multi-tapping, so it will adjust to whatever the voltages you have. Comes well packed with a manual and all the screws to mount it. In this case, this version is coming with a yoke bracket, trunnion bracket. There's also a slip fitter bracket and a arm bracket that will go on a rounder square pole. Again, this is a very high performance. It does over 170 lumens per watt, so you get a lot more light per watt than you do on normal fixtures. Also, the fixture comes standard with a T5 optic, but you can also have it upgraded to a T3 that we stock. The 150 replaces a 400 watt metal halide. Again, the 300, which I'm not showing today, does 1,000 watt, and the 100 watt is just a nice all-around fixture. Other nice features on it, there is an option for you to get a photocell NEMA kit. It's put on when you install it. You can add the photocell. It is a one-man installed fixture. So basically, when you mount it on a pole, basically the fixture comes down and slides on the bracket, and then you can easily add the screws to secure it. So it's a one-person install. Great all-around fixture. We've had great feedback from our customers. 10-year, some people just really want a 10-year warranty product, and that's what this is. So, give one of our lighting specialists a call. The one other thing too, it does can have a motion sensor added. Just clips in, and you're good to go. You need at least one remote for the whole installation. So giving one of our lighting techs a call today, and they'll help you pick the right fixture for you, and can also run a lighting plan if you need it. Thank you.